Guys, welcome back to your own channel. Guys, you can see that exactly what we have discussed, that only happened. Guys, you can see here what we have natural gas discussed is that this is the, if it will take support. Okay guys, after that it slightly open gap up. After that you can see here continuously goes on a consolidation phase. After this breakout, anybody, if you have any my videos, you can get it. After breakout you have to buy somewhere here. Our first target reach, second target and third target. Exactly from third target only it reverse. You have taken here a short position. Your first target also reach, second target, third target. Okay guys, these three target reach. After that you can see that if it will take an resistance, exactly here only taken resistance, it's going downside. Here is your SL at this high, and you have bought somewhere here. You can see that our first target also reached guys, second target, even third target and fourth target. All target has been, we have been achieved guys. You can see that what the accuracy we have, 100% accuracy what we have discussed. Okay guys, in crude oil also you can see here guys, crude oil what I have discussed is that if it will cross, after this crossing it taken a support. No, it doesn't taken support, it breaks, came downside and exactly not taken support. You can see here, I will just remove this, shift this. Okay guys, you can see here guys, not taken any resistance, came downside. Once again it goes upside momentum. After first time, second time, third time, three time it has been taken a support, means it gets weak now, supporting area. After that it's broken. This is the wick is very important. In this green candle only you have to buy, and this red candle is high is your SL. You can see that how nicely our first target, second target, even third target also almost reach, and continuously taking resistance at this trend line only what we have discussed. Okay guys, we can see for gold also, what we have discussed in gold. If it will take support, it doesn't take support and broke. After that it is continuously consolidating. After it came once again downside guys, exactly here only you have to buy at this red candle. Okay guys, at this red candle you have to buy, and your SL will be this green candle low. Okay guys, so you can see here first time once again it came, but it doesn't taken our SL because our SL is this green candle. After that you can see that how nicely fall has been came, and after that I will just shift this. You can see that exactly taken resistance and came down. You can see that how nicely what we have discussed, exactly market has been behaved like that only. So you can see that our accuracy is 100% guys, almost 100%. And we can see right now is gold. Okay guys, what we have discussed, if it take here somewhere support, then only go for this. Okay guys, I will just shift this. Okay guys, you can see here what happened. It continuously taking resistance from here. You have taken somewhere here, your SL will be here. Our first target almost reached guys. Okay guys, after that you have to trail your SL, or you have